What's that?
Oh, no! My livelihood caught on fire!
Morphle, morph into a fire truck!
Oh, thank you so much, Mila and Morphle. I have no clue how that fire started.
What's that sound?
Oh, no! The cornfield caught on fire, too! It's popcorn everywhere! Oh! What on earth is causing all these fires?
Look, it's a dragon! It caught the flu and it's sneezing. Fire!
And it's heading for the city!
Uh-oh! After it, Morphle! Look, Morphle! The dragon is close to the hospital. Dr. Abraham, there's a sick dragon in the city.
Oh, no! Hey there, big fella. I've got some medicine for you.